Hi, in this video we are going to see on how to integrate IBM HATS REST APIs in HCL's Domino Volt application. So to start with this integration demonstration, let us first select the REST API created by HATS. So the page what you see here is Swagger UI, in which we have 4 REST APIs created using HATS application, which is called credit limit. In this application, upon entering a customer number, we are going to fetch customer details of the credit limit application from the mainframe. So this is the URL of the REST API. Let us take this and go to HCL Domino Volt application manager to create the old application. Let us start with creating a new application. We can create from the blank. Go next, give the application name. Create. Now we are going to see the output Json of the REST API. As you see, this is the HATS REST API's output. So here some of the details like credit limit, customer name, credit score, customer number. There are few data which we can pick and then add in the application. Upon fetching from the mainframe, we can display those in the Volt application. Let's go back to Volt application which we just created. Start adding the fields. So to get the data, first we need to provide the customer number for the REST API. So let us provide a field for entering the customer number. Okay. Now let us add a new section to display the output part of the API. Okay, let us add customer name, credit limit, adding new row, credit score, so now we have added the output section as well. So, but when to run the REST API in this application? So let us decide on after entering the customer number, we can choose to run the REST API. Let us go to the settings, go to events. So on item change of this customer number field, we are going to execute the REST API. Let us click on this, choose call a service and add a service. This is the HATS REST API URL to fetch the customer details of the provided customer number from the mainframe. Let us go to the configuration to see. So by default get is selected. This is what is our API also has. And it automatically fetch the output format, JSON format. So let us just say OK. And go next. So this URL has an input which takes a customer number. So from where this customer number will be provided is on the screen, we just added a customer number field. So the same customer number, whatever is entered, will be mapped to this customer number. So mapping is done. Let's go next. So now we will do the output mapping. So output we have decided to add to the section. So here if you see all the application page of the Domino Volt parameters will be here. On the left side, all the REST API output parameters will be there. So all we have to do is just select and map each other. So at runtime, it will automatically add the data and fills in the page. So let us choose name from the name field, credit limit, credit score. Yes, we have added just 3 fields and the mapping for 3 fields is also done. Let's go next. So this is the ID of the REST API which we just configured has got. So this ID can also be used to invoke the same API from the JavaScript of the Domino Volt application. Let's say okay. So this is where you will get to add the script if at all if you want to invoke the REST API with some conditions. Let's say okay. Apply. Okay. Save the application. And let us just preview whatever we have added right now. Let's enter the customer number. As you see, data has been popped up. So this is the output of the REST API. This is about the demo. Thank you.